Hi and welcome everyone who's watching this video right now, and we would love to welcome you to the new interface of PlanetSpark Classroom that we have for you, which has been specially designed to make all your classes very interesting, very engaging, and yet very impactful at the same time with all your students, be it your regular class, your demo classes, your trial classes, anything. So I'll take you through the journey of it. How do we start it? Where do we find it? And how do we go about it? So first of all, teachers, we'll start with the first part, which is the planetspark.in page, wherein you generally log in as a teacher. So I'm just going to click on the right topmost corner, which is the login button. And then I will choose login as a teacher here. So then I'm just going to enter my ID and my password for the same. And then I will log into the account. So once I have logged in, everything is going to be similar how you already see it when you are generally logging in. And now we are going to see two things. How do we use that link? Number one, how do we use that link to share it with our demo classes, our trial classes? And number two, how do we do that with our regular classes? So we'll have a look on both of them. Let's start with the first part, which is the manage demo section, wherein I'll tell you how do you share it with your trial classes or demo classes. So we'll go to the manage demos section and I'll see my demos, whatever demos I have for the day. And yes, I do have a demo session which is for Yashveer. So for example, let's say this is a later session that I have, but for example, let's say Yashveer is the child's name, wherein I have to go ahead and conduct a class with this particular child. Okay. So you can see two options here. We have free call and we have join class option here. Once you click on join class, this is the entire page that is going to appear on your screen, and this is actually the new interface that I'm talking about for PlanetSpark. It's of course more colorful than previous. It's more engaging because it has some other elements here too that I'll tell you about. It has the PlanetSpark brand logo, it has the PlanetSpark background, so of course it's going to be very much more appealing than the previous plain classrooms that we used to have. Now you will see request permission here. You will have to click on request permission because then only it will ask you to allow microphone and camera for the demo session, which is very, very important, teachers. Otherwise, you won't be able to listen, or maybe the child won't be able to hear you properly. So make sure you go ahead and allow both these things here. And once you allow it, your camera is going to be open, your mic is there, which we can mute for now. And then we have two more options, which is of sharing a screen and a chat box. So some camera settings are here in the camera option. Some mic settings are there in your mic option. There will be some more options when you click on share screen, because this is similarly the way, we use the previous links to share our screen with the student. So once you click on share screen, this is the option that you will be seeing. Now, once I'll continue with share screen, it will ask me options. What one do I want to share? So we'll just go ahead, select whatever we want to, and then we'll click on share. So for example, let's say it's this sheet that I want to share with all of you. So I'm just going to share that here. I'll just click share and it's shared with you all. Once I click on stop sharing, you won't be able to see the screen anymore. Okay. Now I'll come back here, and this is a room, teachers, that we can basically see, where you can see there's a box with the initial letters MB. Now this MB, you can see it's the name for the teacher, the initial letter for the teacher, Mudrika Baghela. Now whatever student you are sharing your link with, the student will land up to the same room that you are into. And if the child's name is, for example, Ronit Sahegil, you will be able to see RS here in another box in the same room here. Okay, so that's about the room, and that's about some basic features that we have in this here. Then we have the chat box, wherein of course you can give instructions to the child while conversating. We have different emojis for that, and we'll use it throughout the class whenever required. Okay. Now let's come to the most interesting part and the most interactive part that I was speaking about, which is the assign badges section for the child, along with a give applause element that we have here for you. Let's go through it one by one. So teachers, we have made all these stickers for you, these badges for you, so that you can allot the same to the child between the classes, and so that the child feels appreciated and motivated at the same time. So you can see we have PlanetSpark Super Kid, we have Observation Guru, we have the Hot Shot, we have Inspirational Speaker, we have Active Champion. So these all badges are going to help you build a connectivity with the parent and a child as well, because once you click on these badges, it's going to appear on the child's screen. So once you click on that, it's going to appear on the child's screen and the child will be feeling good about it. So teachers, you have to do one thing that it is going to be very, very helpful for you, and it's obviously going to be good if you can give all these badges to the child, because as I told you, it's visible on the child's screen. It will be giving them a lot of enthusiasm and energy. Also, if the parent is sitting along with the child, they'll be observing the child being interactive with you and getting all these badges. So make sure that while you are ending the class, before that, you have assigned all these badges to the child. It's not like you have to keep the badges for yourself. Please go ahead and assign all the badges by the end of the class to the child as per his performance, or maybe just in between to motivate him or give him a little energy for your upcoming questions or something. So you can always use them. Also, you will see this give applause part here. This is again an element that has been added to appreciate the child in one or the other manner. And once I click on this, it will ask you for a confirmation. And once you do that, this is the voice and this is the sticker that is going to be displayed on yours as well as the child's screen. So it's again a very good element to let the child know, or maybe the parent who's sitting know, that yes, this is how we teach them, this is how we encourage them throughout the class so that they can be better at it. So this was one give applause element that you can use going forward. Now it's a very simple thing, teachers. We have the full screen option too. You can go ahead and turn this to full screen whenever you want to while you are having a class. We have some little options here for settings wherein you can adjust the blur side of the camera, you can make the background blur and all those things. So this is one way how you will be taking a class with your demo class, with your trial class, by sharing a link with them. Now, how do you do the same with the regular classes that we are going to have? So let's come to the My Plan Demo sections. Now we'll go to the home page once and we'll see the classes that we have for our regular students. Okay. So for that, first of all, I'll go to class management here at the top left corner, and then I'll go to mark attendance section. Now once I go to mark attendance section, you will be able to see all the regular classes that I have for myself. Okay. Now once you find this option here, which is the join live class, and once you share that and you click that, the same page will be opening for you again, the way it was opening in the previous normal demo child section, right? So what we are going to do is we are just going to click on the join live class here after going into class management and mark attendance. Once you're able to see the name of the students, you can go ahead, click on join live class, and you and child will be landing up to the same page going forward. Okay, so we'll take it like that, teachers. Now you know both the ways how do we do it with both kinds of students going forward, with the regular class as well as with the trial sessions or the demo sessions that we have fixed for ourselves. Okay, so the regular classes are also supposed to be taken in the same format as I have just showed you. In case you are sharing the link with them too, in case you're sharing a screen with them, you'll go ahead, click on share screen, and we'll follow the same set of processes here too. Just a quick reminder for you teachers that whenever you are ending the class, please make sure before you end it, somehow while conversating with the child, you have assigned all these badges to the child, because trust me, he's going to feel very good about it. There will be a pop-up on the child's screen once you click on that. The way This give applause is appearing on your screen. The same way this assign badge will appear on the child's screen. And just imagine how good would he be feeling about seeing something like observation guru, or maybe inspirational speaker, or maybe an active champion for that matter. So that was all about it, teachers. That's how we go through it. I'll take you through a reminder of it once we go to the class management and mark attendance option. We'll be able to share the link with the normal students, and once you go to the manage demos sections and then you see your upcoming demos for students, you can go ahead and share the link with them by clicking on the join class option. Both these processes will have the same set of processes going forward. The same way you will be taking the demo class for the trial class, the same way you will be taking the regular or your enrolled class with yourself. So that's about it, teachers. I hope we are going to make milestones with this. We'll try to make the classes more interactive, more encouraging, so that we come out with productivity and flying colors all together. All the very best. Thank you so much.